Hi, my name is Maria Langer and I'm a mostly solo Great Loop cruiser. Today you're getting just my voice on a very short video I shot on July 5th, 2024. Please accept my apologies in advance for the background noise. This isn't a very quiet place. I'm parked at an overnight spot right at the entrance of Loch 31 in Buckhorn, Ontario, along the Trent-Severn waterway. I've been buddy boating on and off with a handful of boats, but today I traveled with Finito, a 65-foot Fleming. They're parked on the right in this video. I was sitting up on Do It Now's command bridge in the shade, enjoying a light breeze on a very humid day, when I spotted the Kawartha Voyageur, a very large tour boat, making its way toward the loch. I had passed this boat 2 days before when I left Peterborough, so I was familiar with its size. I couldn't believe that it would be able to get past Finito in the narrow loch approach, but no one at the loch seemed concerned, so I just set up a GoPro to capture some footage to share. There was nothing to worry about. After getting called into the loch, Voyageur moved forward slowly and eased right into the tight channel. With spotters on each side, this really skilled captain made it look easy. He just pulled right past both of us and slipped into the loch.
Here's to Canada!
Once the boat had gotten into the loch, I took a walk to the loch to get some photos. In order to fit into the loch, the boat's bow folds up to shorten the boat. The mast and a deck cover also fold down so that the boat can get under low bridges. Once inside the loch, there's no space for any other boat. I hope you enjoyed this short video. It's just an example of some of the funky things you might see while cruising the Great Loop. Tell me what you think in the comments. And please, support this channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing with others. Bye now.